We're standing in a gap in the forest. This is actually a very healthy component of any interior forest. It really helps with regeneration. You can see all the life that springs up when it gets the sunlight for the first time in a long time. New trees are coming up, and this is all part of succession of the forest. And it helps keep the forest rejuvenated and continuing to get different species at different times. That also can get different bird species in a place like this because it is somewhat of an edge, but just that open light attracts more insects as well. You get some bird activity from time to time related to that. So look for these gaps and just stand around and see what you can find.